Hi guys, this is TechGo007. I hope you're doing great. So today I'm going to be showing you guys on how to install and uninstall an app on your Samsung Smart TV. Alright, so first of all, what I usually do is remove my aerial cable from the back of my TV so that it doesn't come up with all the channels and so that no one claims any copyright. Alright, so as I've shown in my previous videos, just remove it from the back of your TV. Alright, so first of all, you'll press on your home button. Now you want to you navigate towards the left and you want to go to search. Then you press OK. And in here, you want to just bring up the keyboard, which should be done automatically. Or unless you have a search icon somewhere and then you can press that. Alright, so in here you want to write with your remote which app you wanted to install. So for now I'm just going to install the Plex app. So I write it and then I just want to go on to where it says install. Right, so I use my remote control again. Alright, so you want to press OK. So that's the OK button. Now press on install. Okay, so press OK again. So now this is getting installed and you can say open, and that's how you install an app. But before showing you guys the second one, I'd like to just invite you guys to visit my second channel, which is Cooking Time and Natural Remedies. This is what you can see on the screen, and I'll have the link on the description box below. I'd be grateful if you guys visit there and subscribe. Obviously go through my videos, and if you like it, you can subscribe to it, or maybe share with someone who likes cooking and also want to know about some natural remedies, and I'll have the link on the description box below. Alright, so to uninstall an app, you wanna again go on to the home button and then navigate towards where it says apps. And then you wanna go to the top right hand corner where it says settings. Alright, so in settings, in here you can see all the apps that has been downloaded. There are some that you can delete and there are some that you can't delete, and I'll tell you in a minute why. Alright, so the Plex app, we can go through all the options. So as you can see in there, you can reinstall, move, add to home page, unlock or lock if you've got a pin on it. So now we want to, so if you want to delete, you just press on delete and then you say delete again and then you press on OK, and that should delete it. Right, so there are some apps that you can't delete. Right, so say if you go on to where it says delete for any app that you can't delete, the delete button will be there but it will be faded, so you won't be able to click on it. Alright, so the reason for that is because these apps are the default apps that came with the TV originally, where it can't be deleted by the user. So yeah, there you go. Alright, so that's it guys for this video. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share it, and I'll see you on my next video. Thank you, bye.